Good evening. 1 week after flooding claimed 7 lives in Middle Tennessee and caused widespread damage, cleanup efforts continue. One Nashville nursing student's home flooded the day she moved in. And as she tells News Channel 5's Sina Saleem, she hopes others can learn from her experience.
It's been a week full of this. Dozens of machines inside Hannah McGrew's home, airing out the water from last week's flood. Hannah is a nurse midwife student set to graduate this spring from Vanderbilt. She and her husband are expecting their first child this July. They recently bought a new house on Bramblewood Drive in Creve Hall.
We closed on the house on Thursday and had been moving over the last few days. And that Saturday at 3, we'd really moved in the last of our boxes to those lower rooms.
Around midnight Sunday,
and we heard some water coming in through the back door.
The storm flooded their home with 3 feet of water.
You know, the water came in so quickly that we really weren't sure how high it was going to rise, so we got our dogs and put them up in the attic, and I climbed up.
They do not live in a flood zone, so they were not advised to get flood insurance. Hannah says the damage will now cost them $25,000.
We lost a lot of furniture. We lost about half of our family photos, which was sad. Our wedding books got destroyed.
Overwhelmed, Hannah says she urges folks to think about getting flood insurance, even if you're not in a flood zone.
We hope that this doesn't happen again, but we're sort of just going to expect that it will. And so we went ahead and started the process to get flood insurance. I think the other issue, right, is that I think that the city's infrastructure at this point is lacking.
Hannah says it'll take at least 6 weeks to get the house fixed. The silver lining is she and her baby are safe. In Nashville, Sina Saleem, News Channel 5.
If you are struggling in the aftermath of the flooding, you can call the Red Cross Disaster Distress Helpline at 1-800-985-5990. If you'd like to help, consider donating to the Community Foundation of Middle Tennessee's Emergency Response Fund, or you can give your time by volunteering with Hands on Nashville. They have multiple shifts a week that you can sign up for on HON.org.